नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन ट्यूसडे ऑल मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस एंडेड इन द ग्रीन, बायड बाय पॉजिटिव ट्रेड डेवलपमेंट्स. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick told CNBC that Trump administration had finalized its first trade deal. The Dow gained 0.75%, the Nasdaq rose 0.61%, and the S&P 500 advanced 0.58%. The S&P 500 is comfortably trading above its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA zone of 5,620 to 5,650 will act as a crucial hurdle, while the zone of 5,500 to 5,540 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Brent crude, so Brent crude ended lower for the second consecutive trading session. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, it is likely to test the level of $61, followed by $59 in the short term. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index has been consolidating within a tight range of 99.88 to 98.9 over the past 6 sessions. A decisive breakout on either side could trigger a strong directional move. Talking about Nifty's view, on Tuesday, the benchmark index Nifty surged above its recent swing high and marked a high of 22,457 level. However, it has failed to sustain at higher levels and witnessed a minor throwback. Finally, it ended the session at 24,336 with a minor gain of 0.03%. आगे जाके 24,430 to 24,460 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,460 के ऊपर सस्टेनेबली ट्रेड करता है तो एक रैली देखने को मिल सकती है जो 24,600 तक जा सकती है और उसके बाद 24,750 तक भी शॉर्ट टर्म में पहुंच सकती है। वही अगर डाउनसाइड की बात करें तो 24,230 टू 24,200 का जोन किसी भी तुरंत गिरावट में एक अच्छा सपोर्ट या कुशन प्रोवाइड कर सकता है। On the derivatives front, the April futures dipped by 0.11%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 3.84%. The 24,400 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 24,500 strike. On the put side, 24,300 has a substantial open interest followed by the 24,200 strike. For the weekly series, OI-PCR is at 0.84. Talking about Bank Nifty has also witnessed a minor profit booking after making the high of 55,958 level and formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow. This indicates selling pressure at higher levels. आगे चल के 55,700 to 55,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। वही 55,000 to 54,900 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट के रूप में एक्ट करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark Sensex witnessed a minor throwback after hitting a high of 80,661 and settled flat by the session's close. On the daily chart, it formed a bearish candlestick with upper and lower shadows indicating indecision at higher levels. आगे जाके 79,900 to 79,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अपसाइड में 80,600 to 80,700 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures ended on a flat note and the open interest of the current series has dipped by nearly 51%. The 80,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 81,000 strike. On the put side, 80,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 79,500 strike. The OI-PCR is at 0.83. Talking about the key market indicators, if we talk about India VIX first, the volatility index India VIX took support near its 20-day EMA level and surged by 2.54%. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while 16 to 15.8 will act as a crucial support. The advanced decline ratio tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, Nifty India Defense has given a horizontal trendline breakout on a daily scale, and it has marked a fresh all-time high. Interestingly, the daily RSI took support near the 60 level and thereafter witnessed a smart rebound, which is a bullish sign as per the RSI range shift theory. Apart from this, private bank, PSU banks, financial services and oil and gas are likely to outperform in the short term. Now talking about the FI-DI data, both the FIs and DIs were net buyers yesterday to the tune of 2,386 crores and 1,369 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 44.3, as on a net basis they bought 4,879 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.